Ain't no talking out, I'm charging at them like I'm seeing red, you niggas dead. Riding with the squad, it be a lot of us. Staying broke never was an option, I had to run it up. Make the bands just to feed the fame, I had to make a buck. Got fired from my 9 to 5, man, I was fucking up. Never was the type, you know me, I had to earn my stripes. Had to be the man to pay that bill, cut back on the lights. Used to sleep on the floor, back then I wasn't living right. Used to rob a couple niggas for no reason, out of spite. Used to beg a bitch if I could stay just to spend the night. My mama kicked me out and at the time we wasn't really tight. Now I'm up, and you and me live a different life. Now I'm eating good with steak, shrimp, chicken, and some rice. When I walk up in the scene, I seen a lot of niggas fall. Lost a lot of niggas in the game, man, it should be cold. Lost a lot of bitches down the way, they don't even know. Lost a lot of love, but you know I'm in a different mode. And I'm passing all you niggas, you know I'm never looking back. 2017 is when I fell in love with my strap. By the age of 23, I had to learn to be a dad. I remember the first time when I went and spent a couple racks. Niggas stay the same, they never change, man, I don't see no difference. Be the same niggas on the same block, sharing a pistol. If a nigga love his bitch, it's easy to catch a nigga slipping. Dripped out with the sweatpants like I'm concealing some.
Whoa, yeah, hit you with the pole, yeah, you already know, yeah. We got all design, yeah. Look at me, my guy, yeah. I rock my own clothes, yeah, that's big mom in my closet. I rap sometimes, but I'm truly a designer.
Whoa, yeah, hit you with a pole, yeah. I'ma get a bag, yeah, she gon' get a bag too. If you making promises, don't break them, that's a bad move. I'm a big shooter, have them stiffer than a statue. I ain't no recruiter, you dealing with a shooter. Get the work and drop it off something like a Uber. I used to be a loser, I made your bitch a chooser. Did I forget to mention that you're dealing with a shooter?